Welcome to my channel. This is ayomidegraphix. In this video tutorial, you'll be learning how to create a professional church flyer with your phone using pixel app. So before we get started, if you know you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel and you're watching this video, kindly click the subscribe button on your screen now, then click on it again, then click on all for you to get all notifications. So let's begin. Now you open your pixel app, click on the three dots there at the top, then click on image size, then type the width. The width should be 736 by the height also 736. Now to change the background color, click on the background edit tool, then click on color, then click on color, change it to click on white. You see it has been changed to white, so to let us see what to do. Now the next stage is to click on shape tool, then click on import to import the image. Now we are bringing the image, so this is the image we are using. Now when you are done, click on the layer tool, then click on the padlock icon that you've logged it. Now click on the shape tool in the sub menu, then when you click the shape tool, then click on gradients, click on the plus icon there. Now for you to get the gradient, this first icon there, and click on the color field, that second one, click on color field, click on this pencil icon to get the code. You click on this pencil icon. Now let me type the code. For you to get the code, if you have to do yours too as well, that is the red will be 63, the green will be 17, then the blue will be 46. Then click on OK. Then do the same thing for the second one. Click on the same thing, then click on pencil icon as well. Then the red will be 117, the green will be 79, then the blue will be 42. Then click on OK. That's how I get this. Then you move the color mover. This is to move colors around. So that's how I get this. So you make it big, you make sure it's fitting for our overlay. It's called overlay. Then you go to opacity, reduce it, reduce the opacity to 50, 55 would be good, 55. Then you did it very well. Make sure it's, then lock it as well. See, we are good. Then the next thing to do now is click on the shape, then click on import. Let us bring in another image. It's called the sparkling effect. Then go to edit it, go to erase color, and click on erase color, enabled. Then the icon behind the letter one, that is color picker, click on the icon. You see color picker, then move it down, you see, then click on it. Okay, increase the tolerance a little bit, then that's good. You can expand it now. Now the next stage is to go to opacity, reduce it any amount you want, but we're choosing 40%. Then click on the layer tool, lock it, then copy and paste the same effect. So if you don't know what copy and paste means, that's it. That's enough. Copy, that icon there means copy and paste. When you click on it, you see you have copied and pasted the effect, the shining effect. You can see the sparkling effect rather. That's good. When you place it very well, the position, then you lock it as well. Now the next thing is to click on the grid icon there behind the layer tool. When you click on it, then click on grid setting there, click on grid setting, then the last icon there to your right, that you click on it, then you give it number 15 by 15. Wow, that's it. The grid is like the ruler. Now the next stage is to import our element. Click on shape tool, then click on import to bring in the next element. That is the paper element. We're bringing, wow, now we are bringing. Then the next stage you go to erase color, click on erase color, enabled, then color picker as well. If you don't remember, I said this icon is called the color picker. You bring it down, then mark it, so as you can see, then you make sure you bring it very well, you set it very well. Now I've arranged it already very well, the position is good. Then click on the grid icon to check it very well, so you can place it very well for your placement. I love this, it's good, very well. Then the next is click on the layer tool, then lock it as well. When you lock it, then you click on shape tool, then click on import to import the next element, that is for the dates. You import the next element, then go to erase color, enabled. Then when you are done, click on enabled, then okay, go to color, enabled, then go to gradient, then that's it. Click on it. So if you want to know I get it, click on the plus icon, then click on the color field, then the pencil. The red is 254, the green is 153, then the blue is 3. Then click on OK. Then for the other one, click on the same thing, then click on the pencil as well. Red is 150, green is 197, then the blue is 85. That's it. That's how I get this color, the gradient for this effect. Then reduce it, then the placement, the position very well. relative size, reduce it to as well. Can reduce it to any color, any percentage you want, then place it very well. So when you are done, you lock it, click on layer 2, lock it as well. Then let us give it shadow. You scroll, see shadow, click on shadow enabled. Wow, that's good. The offset X and the offset Y, you can give it a little bit. Then the next thing, you lock it. Then the next thing, you click on the A icon, then the pencil icon for the alphabet you want to type. The date is 20th 20th, as you can see. Then the size, you give it size should be 45. Then the color too as well, give it color black. Then the font size, the font style, we're giving it font style. The recent, I'm using Akira expanded, that is his font style we are using. Then you place it very well. We need to increase the element again, increase it a little bit, relative size, increase it a little bit, so that can have enough space for the date. Now let me increase the yellow elements for now to make it bigger. And also to place the date, that is 20th, very well, using position. Then move it by 1 pixels, move it very well. Then let me lock it, then lock it as well. Then copy that too as well. Then use the pencil icon, type match. Yes, match. So reduce the match too using the text size, reduce it 35. Let me reduce it to 33. No, down to 32. 32 will be good. Then position, move it very well. Move it very well. I think this is good. Wow, we're almost there. We're almost there. We're almost there. Then imports, and you click on the shape tool. Then you click on imports as well. If you import the sellotape, then erase color, click on it, then increase the tolerance 36. Then give it color. Where's the color? That's it, color white. Then rotate, reduce this is very well. Wow, that's good. We're almost there. Position very well. Very position. Then you give it shadow as well too. I think that's good. Then you lock it as well. Then you can reduce it by using the relative size. Then move it very well too as well. Then you copy and paste. See, copied and pasted the sellotape effect, that is sellotape element rather. Yeah, to look like, see, you tape it on the element like a board or something. So that's it. Now click on the shape tool, then click on the import icon there, then import the clock. Then you go to erase color, then click on the enabled erase color. Then it's already on color black already. Let me done it. Yes, disable color black. Then reduce it. So you have to make it small. To make it smaller, you go to relative size, then reduce it. And reduce it. Yeah, this is smaller. Then use your ruler to check very well, to check for the position. So that will be like your ruler to check. Then lock it as well. Then click on the icon, then the pencil icon as well. The time is 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Yes, okay. Then you come to size. The size you'll be giving it 25. Then the color we'll be giving it color black. Yeah, then font, that is the font style, using Akira expanded. That's it. Then bring it down. You bring it down. Then your position. Use your position. Then use your ruler to check it very well. Is it correct? Yes, correct. That's good. Then lock it as well. Lock it as well. Then click on shape tool, then import to import the next shape. That is the this icon, this element that look like Google Map, as you can see. Then tolerance as well. Yeah, that's for the location. Wow, as you can see, the grid is gone. Click on the grid, then click on the grid setting, then import, type the number 15 by 15, you do it again, then okay. Wow, the grid is there back. Now reduce it, use the position icon to position it very well. You see, use it as a ruler. Then you can use relative size to reduce it very well. If you can't go further, then you use your position to position it very well. Move it left, right. The next stage is to lock it. Then you lock it as well. Then copy and paste the word again. Then change it to church auditorium, capital letter. That's good. Then break it down, just bring it down. Then change the color yellow. That's good. Now the address, that's good. We're almost there. You can just move it very well. Then lock it as well. Can edit it out very well. Then the next stage is for the address. Copy and paste the other one too as well. You copy and paste the time. Now type the address because of time, because the address is there. Now I've typed it already. So we are going to change the font style. Click on font, then click on recent, then you'll be choosing piston pressure. That's use the font style, piston pressure. Then use our text, reduce size, the text size, reduce it to 20. Then position very well, that's good. As you can see, we are almost there. It's taking shape. Lock it. So the next thing to do now is to make sure everything's aligned very well, arranged. So now we have to give the address spacing. Go to spacing, click on spacing, then 6. That's it. Now click on the shape tool, click on shapes. Then to get our ingredients we use for our overlay, click on ingredients. That's it. The first ingredients for our overlay, you just click on it. You see, that's it already. Then you mark it. You see, that's it. The one, just arrange it very well. Then that's it. Then you move it. That's for our upper overlay. That's for the upper image and the logo. So we have to edit the gradient for it very well. Then after you've arranged it, you go to opacity to I think 20 will be good. Yes, 20 will be good for the upper overlay. 20 will be good for it. That's good. Then when you are done, you can let us reduce it a little bit, 19. Okay, then you lock it as well. Then you import the logo. Click on the shape to then click on import. Then you remove it by clicking on the erase color. Remove it. That's it. Then crop it a little bit. So remove this. Yes, only the logo. So that is for the placement. Then our ruler for the placement, we always use the ruler. Reduce it. So I think that's good. Then place it very well. That's good. So we're almost there. Then you click on the shape tool again to draw the thick line. Reduce it very well. So reduce it very well. Then position very well. Then use our relative size to reduce it very well. Then position very well. Check it. That's good. Lock it as well. That's good. You can reduce it. Then the next thing is to type. If you are done, then click on the A icon, the plus icon, then the pencil icon, then the name of the church, New Life Christian Church. That's it. Then the size will be 30, 20. Yeah, 20 will be good. Then the color as well, color white. Then the font as well. We are using evitas. Then the spacing, the light spacing. That's it. That will be good. That will be light spacing. Then arrange it very well. Whoa, I think we are almost done. Let's check it very well. We are almost done, almost there. So I think all our work is good. Then the next thing we bring in our social media logo too as well. We're using Facebook first. So when you get the Facebook, then you go to erase color. Click on the erase color. The tolerance, you can increase it a little bit. Then after that, give it color. Color white. Then reduce it as well. Reduce it. So when you reduce it as well, reduce it very well. So you can use your relative size to reduce it. Then position very well. That's good. So you do the same thing for the other logos as well, the social media logos too as well. So when you place very well, the same thing, lock it. So arrange it very well. Then after I've done that, you lock it, then copy and paste. So when you copy and paste, sometimes it might not bring it very well. Let us check very well. Sometimes it might not be clear. So let us see, is it clear? Okay, now let us check. Is it clear? Let us increase it a little bit. Oh my god, it's not clear. So we have to bring in another one. Delete this first. Delete this, then import another one. Delete, then import another one. I think we've imported this now. Erase color. Go to erase color. Erase color. Increase the tolerance. Then the next thing is to give it color white. Yeah, enabled color white. Then do the same thing as well. The last one too, we have to do the same thing. We import the last logo too as well. Use relative size to reduce it. So now, as you can see, now bring in the third one. That's it. There we do the same thing. So go up time. Now click on the A, then the pencil icon as well. That's for the alphabet. The aim is alphabet, as you can see. Then at NLCC, that is New Life Christian Church. Then for your scroll, for the text size, you have to give it size and reduce it to 20 or 20. That 20 will be good. Then the color, we'll give it color white. Then the fonts, let's give it fonts. I'll be using Amras bold. That is the default font. Amras bold, that'll be good. Then position very well. Wow, as you can see, we're almost there. So we have to move it very well. Then give it some spacing. Click on it. So click on the layer icon. So then click on it, lock it as well. So to expand it, click on expanding, spacing, give it 3. That's good. So as you can see, we're almost there. Then usually have to check everything's correct, accurate, arranged properly. Now let us type in the click on the A icon, the plus icon, and the pencil icon. That's for the alphabet. To type in our word called relevance. That is for the church flyer. We're using relevant. Then the text size, we're using 133. Let me get it. 133. Yes, that's it. 133. Then the color, we're using the gradient. Click on gradients, then click on that. So if you don't know how I get this, I've explained that before. So let me just brief it again. Click on that, click on the pencil icon, 254, 153, then 3. That's for the first one. Then click on the second one too as well. That will be click on the pencil icon, 250, 197, and 85. So that's it. Get the effect. Then for the fonts, I'll be using should I use Amras bold? Let me check Amras bold. It's too large. Should I use this? No, I don't think I like this. Let me see if I can reduce it. No, I won't be using the let me go back. I'll just use some of my fonts. Bibas, I'm using Bibas. Piston pressure. I'll be using that. So that's its relevance. I make it bold. I love it bold. Copy and paste. Click on the copy and paste icon. Then change the color to white. Wow. Then drag it down there to be at the back. As you can see, our flyer is taking shape. Then you can arrange this, position it very well using the position icon there. Then you lock it as well. Then click on shape tool and click on shape as well. For our border line, then opacity 0, then stroke width, give it 4. That's it. Then color, click on color, make it big 4, then enabled. Then gradients, the color should be white. Then you do that very well, arrange it very well. It should be in the middle to cover the relevance. That's good. So when you are done, that's good. I've arranged it very well, then position it very well. Next thing is to move it very well. Then you lock it, check if you've locked it. As you can see, wow, we're taking shape. Then let us import the next one. Click on shape tool, then import the next effect. That is called the shining. This is the word called shining effect. So it look like this as shiny. Then erase color, then remove it. Then click on the color picker to click on the dark side as well. Position it very well below the word relevance. So we increase this very well, as you can see the tolerance. So I think everything is good now, as you can see. Then bring it down at the back, as you can see, bring it down at the back. So that's it at the back. Arrange it very well. Click on the shape tool, then import the other shining effects too as well. These are like glowing effects, make it glow, something like that. So you click on that, then click on erase color, the tolerance to 70, then the color, give it the color dark yellow color, then the opacity too as well. Reduce the opacity to give it that glowing effect too as well, like it's glowing or something. Yeah, to give it that effect. So you can see for yourself. I think this will be good. Then copy and paste, same thing. So reduce, can you reduce this one? The opacity reduces very well, so about 50. I think that's good. Then arrange it very well. Check your work, it's getting shape, as you can see, almost there. Then let us import the power store himself. As you can see, no, let us change the direction, 3D, rotate. And the y-axis, as you can see, the y-axis is to rotate 180 degree. Yes, so you have to do that again. That is our grid, 15 by 15. You arrange it again. So use our grid as ruler to check. So the next thing now, to arrange it, position it very well. Then relative size, can increase it very well, 44 by 44. That's the size for the power store, the image. Lock it, then copy that again, position that very well, then change it to color white, give it color white, then bring it down behind it, so to give it that border of like white border, something like that. As you can see, wow, that's good. So that's how I get that border. I lock it as well. Now let us bring in the paper effect, the paper shape, that is the elements. You remove the color, erase color, then color picker outside, then go outside. You see, that's it, the color picker. Then the color, give it yellow, that kind of more is this yellow, this orange, sorry, orange. The color is good, so check it very well, crop it very well, make sure it's cropped very well. That's good. Now if this is done, for our gradients, click on shape tool, then lock it first, click on shape tool, then click on shapes, then scroll down, click on gradients. Therefore, to get this gradient, click on plus, then the first one, click on color fill, then the last one to the left, the other one, click on color fill, then the middle to the right. Super CPC. That has to get your white gradient effect, the fading gradient effect. You bring it down, bring it positioned very well. So when you position it very well, you bring it behind the first one you see is at the back. So for this graded effect, look at the effect, it's good, looking professional. Then the next thing we are going to do now is to bring in to type about the name. Yes, type the name, as we have typed the name already. Then reduce the name to 18, then give it color, give color white. Yeah, the name color white. Then the font size, the font will be giving it Evitas. Then arrange it very well. Wow, that's lovely. Lock it as well, then copy and paste again, then change it to guest minister. That's it, guest minister. Then you lock it as well, bring it down, give it color black. That's good. Then the fonts, piston pressure, then spacing, using 20 will be good, or 70 will be good for the spacing. Then positioning, you position it very well. So as you can see, that's how I get this. So you have to check. Also make sure your work, everything is intact. Then the next thing to do is also save your work. Click on the, if you are done now, to save your work, you click on the top there. Yeah, that one that look like desktop, that is the save icon. That looks like the diskette rather. Church flyer, saved. Then save as image, custom. Then click on ultra, then save to gallery. So that's how to design a professional church flyer. If you like this video tutorial, kindly hit the like button and also do well to drop your comment concerning this video tutorial, and don't forget to share this video across your socials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.